Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaksyon, opinion itong nakakabagbag damdamin, taos-puso, open letter ng isang concerned citizen sa magkapatid na Senador Raffy and Erwin Tulfo. Galing ito kay Mary Ann, isang verified account, hindi ito troll. With all due respect, Senators, sabi niya sa magkapatid, I write this letter not as a supporter of any political camp, but as an ordinary Filipino who was deeply disappointed by what I witnessed. To be honest, I neither voted for you. I never voted for either of you. It wasn't because of personal hatred. I simply never believed that your style of public service reflected the kind of leadership I wanted to see in the Senate. What happened during the recent hearing only reinforced that belief. One thing I will never forget is the way some people were addressed during the press conference, not only fellow senators such as Senator Alan Cayetano and Robin Padilla, but even ordinary staff members who were simply doing their jobs. Regardless of disagreements or differing opinions, public officials should never forget that respect is part of leadership. Those employees are ordinary Filipinos. They are workers. They are taxpayers. They deserve dignity. Yung kasing sabi na pagsasampal-sampalin ko kayo habang nakapila, ang sakit kaya nun sa mga empleyado na ginawalang ang trabaho nila. Sasampalin sila ng isang honorable senator. Ang sakit nun. I wish I could say I was surprised, but I wasn't. For years, many Filipinos watched your television programs, while others saw them as helping people. Many of us also saw moments that felt more like public humiliation than public service. Sadly, the same approach appeared to carry over in the Senate hearing. Grabe oh. Pati kapwa senador, kukwilyuhan, ipapa-aresto. Sasampalin ang mga ordinaryong empleyado. Grabe naman, trabaho ng honorable senator ba yan? What I saw was not a hearing focused on finding the truth. It felt like conclusions had already been made before all sides were fully heard. That is probably why Senator Kiko Pangilinan referred to it as consultative meeting rather than a proper hearing. A hearing should seek facts, it should test evidence, it should allow all sides to be heard fairly. Instead, many Filipinos saw a narrative being pushed before the process was even complete. What troubled me most was hearing soldiers being referred as kargador. Ako, una kong trabaho, pag-graduate ko sa college, naging kargador ako sa bodega ng isang mayamang inchik sa Metro Manila. Kaya makarelate ako dito yung tawagin kang kargador. Para bang napakababang tingin sa iyo ng isang senador. Whether intended as a joke, criticism, or description, the statement revealed something deeper. To many of us, it sounded dismissive toward ordinary workers and uniformed personnel who risked their lives in service to the country. If the goal was truly to test the credibility of the soldiers involved, then perhaps the best opportunity was when they were present and available to answer questions directly. Leadership is not measured by how loudly one speaks or how aggressively one interrogates people. Leadership is measured by fairness, humility, and respect, especially towards those with less power. And this is why I am writing, because words matter. Even if apologies are eventually made, There are statements that cannot simply be erased. Yes, masakit yun. Yung mga workers sa Senado na tumulong lang sa BRC hearing nung June 4 na pagsasampalin ng isang honorable senator. Masakit yun para sa akin. Kahit nag-apology na, mahirap matanggal yung sakit. As an ordinary Filipino, I expect better from those entrusted with public office. The Senate is not a television studio. Makinig kayo, magkapatid na tulpo. Hindi television studio ang Senado. Agree. It is not a stage for personalities. It is a national institution where truth, accountability, and respect should prevail above all else. Respectfully, a concerned Filipino citizen. Ang daming nag-react ko. 101,000. Puros positive ang react ko. 102,000 ang nag-react. 66,000 ang nag-like. 30,000 ang nag-love. 2,700 lang ang nag-tumawa. Ibig, dito mo makita, nasa 2% lang ang naniniwala sa grupo ni Tulfo, Gatchalian, Soto at Lacson. 98% sumusuporta sa Brave 18 Marines. Sana magising kayo sa katotohanan. Itong si Rapi Tulfo, nanawagan siya sa publiko na huwag daw maniwala sa sinasabi ng mga bayani kuno na nagkakarga ng mali-maleta. O ano ngayon, pinapaniwalaan ba si Rapi Tulfo? Salamat dito sa sumulat si Mary Ann. Meron siyang additional input dito. Sabi ni Mary Ann, ulitin ko, hindi ito troll. Dahil verified account, mayroong check yung kanya. Sabi niya, I have intentionally distanced myself from political commentary lately because honestly, it tends to create more enemies than meaningful conversations. But every now and then, something happens that makes silence impossible. I told myself I would stay out of it. I tried. Yet there are moments when remaining quiet feels like tolerating behavior that deserve to be questioned. So here I am again, breaking my own rule. Salamat, Mary Ann, sa iyong sulat. Damang-dama ko ang sincerity. The same sentiment sa akin. Minamaliit nitong magkapatid na senador ang mga kargador. Minamaliit ang kabayanihan nitong Brave 18. But, sige lang. Senador man kaya sila, di karapatan nila. Ba't tayong taong bayan? Bahala na tayong manghusga sa kanila pagdating ng eleksyon. Salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong subaybay sa channel na ito. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong talandig ng Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is pantulong po sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako para makapagpatayo sila ng mas maayos na tirahan. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na ni si Kuya taga send aron makabalay siya.
Salamat sa agihan ng asin. Hindi kami kumaulanan.
So abot na gyud siya sa iyang balay. So karon mo na ni ang itsura sa balay ni Kuya nga gatuluan na gyud siya na mga uslot sa iyang balay. So mag-atop na gyud si Kuya karon.
Tayo sa pagpinso o sa mga viewers. Nakatuntang murakan pa ilang matabangan.
Pasok ka. O karon humana gyud ang atop ni Kuya. Nag-atop na gyud siya. O karon Kuya, unsa imong masulti nga natagaan na mo yero nga nakaatop na gyud mo.
Ay, salamat kayo sa Ginoo ug sa nagbidso ug sa mga supporters sa kaniyang vloga. Ug sa mga vlog
Ah,
sa
so, kuya.
Masalamat lang kung dako nga natupad gyud akong abuhan.
Oo. Sige at ate og kuya, salamat kaayo.